हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों। लॉकडाउन में जो बच्चे पढ़ाई करें वो पढ़ाकू तो कहलाएंगे। गुड। सो नाउ पार्ट नंबर 3 of the polynomials. You know, if we have a number say 35 and we want to divide by 8, 8 4 32, remainder is 3. It means this 35 can be written as 8 into 4 plus 3 is our simple division rule. And if 8 divided by 32, 8 4 32 and remainder is 0. These two concepts you know from your lower classes very well. What? That if remainder comes 0, then 8 is a factor of 32. Clear? 8, if you divide to 35 and remainder comes 3, this 3 is never more than what is divisor. This place of the remainder never more than 8 or more than 8. It may be 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 0, whatever. We have already completed in our lower classes. So the same concept, if we start with the polynomial, then it is said to be division algorithm for polynomials. For example, Px is a polynomial and we are dividing with Gx. We are getting quotient Qx and remainder as Rx. Same thing. The meaning of Px is Gx into Qx plus Rx. This is called division algorithm, where Gx not equal to 0. First thing. Remainder, degree of the remainder always less than Gx. Degree of Rx is less than degree of Gx. It's not like that here it is x square and we are getting x cube. No, it means we have to divide once again. This simple thing is known as division algorithm for polynomials. And the last point, if this Rx comes 0, कुछ नहीं बचा, इसका मतलब Gx is a factor of Px. So last point, if Rx equals to 0, then Gx is a factor of Px. So now we start some problems based on division algorithm. Simple division. Question number 1, exercise 3rd. Px is given and we want to divide it by Gx, that is x square minus 2. First thing is here it is x cube and here it is x square. What should be multiplied to x square so that it will become x cube? No doubt, x. X into x square, x cube, x into 2x. So here we write 2x because x square is not here. It is x below 5x. Now subtract. What we are getting? 3x square and 7x and minus 3. Now we need minus 3x square, but we have already x square. It means minus 3. So minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3 into plus 6. Again subtract. What we are getting? 7x minus 9. So this 7x minus 9 degree is now less than degree of Gx. Hence we have to stop. Suppose we want to verify it. Then how we verify? This Px equals to x square minus 2 into x minus 3 plus 7x minus 9 will give you Px. Now question number 2, second part. We have to verify whether this one is a factor of the Px. Gx is a factor of Px or not. It means if the remainder comes 0, then only we'll say is a factor, otherwise it's not a factor. So now we start the division. 3x4 and x square. So here we have to write 3x square. What we are getting? 3x4. 3x square means 9x cube and 3x square. Correct? Subtract. What we are getting? Minus 4x cube and minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2. Minus 4x cube. So minus 4x minus 4x cube minus 4x minus का 12x square minus 4x. Subtract. What we are getting? Plus 2x square plus 6x plus 2. 2x square is needed, but we have only x square. So plus 2. 2 into 2x square, 2 into 6x, and 2 into 1, 2. Subtract. What we are getting? 0. And when Rx remainder comes 0, it means the simple conclusion is x square plus 3x plus 1 is one of the factor. Now suppose this one is a complete base for the next question number 3rd. Two zeros are given. Polynomial of degree 4. We have two zeros given and degree of the polynomial is 4. We want to calculate the remaining two zeros. It means we have this type of factor. If you divide by, you will get remainder 0. This factor, that is quotient, is a quadratic polynomial, and again if we factorize, what we'll get? Two more zeros. The same concept we are using, but with different style. We have to factorize the quotient again. Correct? So here we start. First, alpha is given root 5 by 3 and beta is given minus of root 5 by 3. These are the zeros. It means we can write as x plus and x minus. These two are the factors. And if we combine, what we are getting? X square minus 5 by 3. A plus b into a minus b. Or what we can say, 3x square minus 5 is the common polynomial for these two. If this one is a factor of given polynomial, we'll divide it and get remainder as 0. So first we divide 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 by 3x square minus 5. First we need only x square. So 3x4 minus 5x square plus and minus cancel out. Here it is 3x square and 6x cube from above. 10x minus 5. Now tell me, what will be the next number? 6x cube is here, 3x square is here. It means we need only 2x. 6x cube, 2x means 10x, and subtract. What we are getting? Like this. Copy 3x square and minus 5. It is already 3x square minus 5. How many times? One time. And we are getting remainder as 0. Obviously आना ही, क्यों? क्योंकि ये उसका फैक्टर है. जब वो दो अलग अलग उसके फैक्टर है, it means उनका combined polynomial भी फैक्टर होगा, and hence remainder is 0. Now question is, how we'll get two more zeros? How we'll get two more zeros? We have to factorize what is quotient with us. This is the quotient with us. We have to factorize, and it is nothing but x plus 1 and x plus 1. So what are the two zeros for? If we compare this one with 0, compare this one with 0, to calculate 0 of the polynomial, what we are getting? Minus 1 and minus 1. Hence, two zeros are given, these two, and two more zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. Hence proved. Very good question. कई बार बोर्ड्स में आ चुका है, आप देखिए पुराने पेपर उठा करके. Next question is 4th. On dividing x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, this is px, by a polynomial gx, the quotient and the remainder. Quotient is given x minus 2 and remainder is given minus 2x plus 4. Find gx. You know the remainder theorem like this. So first we shift minus 2x plus 4 this side, plus 2 plus 2x and minus 4. Now this is nothing but gx and x minus 2. This total quantity will become x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 equals to gx into x minus 2. Our aim is to calculate gx. Hence, if you divide by x minus 2, you will get gx, and division you know very well. So this remaining part is for you. You have to divide and get the value of g. This way we have completed the division algorithm for polynomials. Now your homework is you have to complete all the short examples and take some reference books, old board papers for more and more practice. ओके, तो मिलते हैं, तीसरा पार्ट पूरा हुआ आज, चौथा पार्ट लेकर के जिसमें कुछ सीबीएसई के क्वेश्चंस और करेंगे और ऑप्शनल एक्सरसाइज बाकी करेंगे. तो मिलते हैं, तब तक पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए. टेक केयर, गुड बाय.